Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today we're gonna prepare conger fish with onion and raisin. It's so amazing, it's so delicious and so easy to try. Without further ado, let's get started. We need in this recipe white fish. I'm using here conger, 2 large onion, cut them slices like this, some raisin, 2 cloves of garlic, some parsley and coriander, half a glass of olive oil, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of cinnamon. And we need this tagine to prepare this recipe. We need this pot to mix the all ingredients. We start by the spices. Then add the parsley and coriander, garlic, olive oil, and mix everything together. We need half a glass of water. We add some saffron in this water, and then we add it to the spices and mix everything together. And we add the fish to these spices like this. And then add onion. And mix everything together. We put half of this onion on this tagine like this. And then we add fish. Conger fish, and then add the other half on top. And then add raisin on top. Cover the tagine and let it cook for maybe 30 minutes or until the fish are ready to serve. From time to time, pour some of the sauce on top of the raisin like this to get the flavor. And let this sauce becomes so thick, because we don't need all the sauce, we need it a thick sauce. And cover the tagine and let it continue cooking. Now our tagine is ready. It took 1 hour to be ready. We serve it with Moroccan bread. It's so amazing, it's so delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and you find it easy to try. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.